Good morning, guys. How's it going? It's Ray from CMA, and you're back in the shop with me this morning. It's Wednesday, and I just wanted to show you where I'm at on the Porsche. Wow, wow. Okay, so one of my previous videos, I mentioned one of the patches on the Roadrunner, and I said, yeah, it's a difficult patch. It was the rocker patch, and I said, yeah, this is a complex patch. Yeah, well, yeah, screw that. So here you go. Excuse my language, but anyway. This was a complex patch. Okay, this used to be a piece of flat metal. You can see now that it is not anything flat. It is all contoured and super difficult. Super difficult. So I want to show you what I had to do here. So this is the back side of the left quarter on the Porsche. There's nothing left of it. It's all gone. So what I had to do was, as I told you before in one of the last videos, one of my cheats is to use the contour of the vehicle to help me form the patches. So this patch here is actually two pieces. I'll show you the back and you'll see what I mean. See the weld there? Okay, so I had to actually make this patch in two pieces because there was no way that I was going to get this kind of bend and contour in one piece. Impossible. Not without a factory stamping. So this is two pieces, and it took me hours. I mean, literally, it took me hours to make this piece. But after all is said and done, I always like to say, I win. Okay, see that? I'm getting ready to weld it in place. I took it all apart just so I could do this video and show you, because I mean, this is not a faint of heart patch. And some people, might be better than me, and they say, oh, that's not bad, that's easy enough. Well, okay. But for me, it took time. It was not easy. Seeing the nice little clean patch right there in the corner. That was the one I showed you earlier. So this is how this patch is going to sit in, and it looks really nice with the tail light in there. It sits really pretty. So I'm going to show you this when it's done, and it's probably not going to be long from now. So guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. So with that, you guys have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to share and like my videos and subscribe on YouTube, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.